Hi, my name is Bryan O'Connell, and this is a screencast on how to register for classes at Worcester State University. So first, you're going to have an active Worcester State University network account to access WebAdvisor. You're going to have You're going to want to have a registration form handy to jot down the classes that you're going to be registering for, and a scheduled meeting with your advisor during pre-registration time, so that you can talk to your advisor about what classes you're going to register for and get your account registered for registration. So after doing all that, we're going to go to the university website, worcester.edu, and navigate to the top right and click on My WSU, and then click on Web Advisor. And here it's going to bring you to the login screen where you're going to have to enter your network credentials. So click Web Advisor Login, enter your username and password, and click Submit. And then on the following screen, we're going to click Students. And then scroll down here, and under Academic Profile, we're going to click on Degree Audit, which is going to take you to all the classes that you need to register for and that you've already taken for your major. So select your major over here on the left and include both registered and pre-registered classes and click Submit. And this is your Degree Audit, where it shows all the classes that you've taken and that you need to take for the appropriate major. So here it shows my major, my email and such, and it does show up here your GPA and credits that you've taken and that need to take, but I'm not going to show that information. These are some of the classes that I've taken, and if you scroll down, it shows the whole list on your personal degree audit. But these right here are the course sections, the course title, of course it shows grade, and the credits and any other notes. So having this open while you're registering for classes is very handy, and you're going to need this when you're registering for classes. So now we will return to the screen where we're going to do that. So scroll back up and go click Main Menu, click Students again, and we're going to scroll down under Registration. We're going to click Search and Register for Classes. This is where having your degree audit is pretty handy. On the following screen, actually, on this screen is where we're going to input some of the information for what we're going to be registering for. So the semester, Falls 2017, either day or evening classes, and select Open, and these are all classes with open availability. And here's where you input your major or subject. So say you're a computer science major like myself, and you can also match up the course level if you know the specific class or the course number section, but or you can just search for everything. And if, say, you also wanted to take a lab course, for example, and then you can also select the days of the week and anything else that matches up with your degree audit and schedule, and then click Submit. And here is all the classes that match up with the previous selections. So you also want to be aware of the availability over here, the capacity, and the wait list. So this particular class, BI10401, has an availability of 10 students with a total of 18, and there's 0 on the wait list. It's a 1-credit class, and you need to prerequisites are take BI 103. So these are all things you need to be very aware of when registering for classes, so that you know that you're getting into the right section. So once you find the appropriate class under your list, you're going to select it over here on the left. Say I wanted to register for BI 16201 and BI 20601, so I'll select these two classes and scroll down to the bottom and click Submit. I'm not going to click Submit, but I will take you to the screen that it would normally take you to. So after clicking Submit, it will take you to the pre-bundled registration / drop classes section. So here are all the classes that will show up on the previous selected page. So say that during your registration time, you have to know the exact time that you need to register for classes, and then for your pre-bundled classes over here, you're going to have to select the action that you want to take. So during registration time, you're going to select Register, and then scroll down to the bottom and click Submit during that specific time. If you want to remove that class from your pre-bundle, you also can, or put on the wait list, which is, it also shows the amount of students in the wait list. This particular class has 23. I'm not going to do any of those actions though. And then under here, once you register for classes, these are the ones that I am currently registered for. They will show up under your pre-bundled registration, under current registrations over here. And it also shows the credits and everything. And if you need to make changes to your schedule post-registration, this is where you will return to back to this screen, which I will show you how to get here from the main menu. Once at the main menu, we're going to click Students and then scroll down to under registration, pre-bundled registration, and drop classes. And so this is going to take you to the previous screen that I was just describing, and this will show all the classes that you're registered for. If you need to make changes to your scheduled post-registration drop classes, this is where you'll do that. So you'll select the class that you need to drop and click Submit. I'm not going to do that because this is my current schedule. Also, you need to be aware that you cannot schedule for more than 19 credit hours as a full-time student without filling out an overload form, so be aware of that when scheduled for classes. So now you should be all set and have everything pre-bundled and ready to register for classes, and that's it for this screencast, and any other additional information can be found in the documentation or on this screen right here at worcester.edu/courses and registration. Thank you very much and have a great day.